wanna go thrift shopping? What? Hello YouTube world, my name is Anthony Long. Welcome back to the Bluegrass Picker channel. Why'd you come back? I'm glad you did. Anyway, I got a package from a YouTube auction. I'm not quite at liberty to say where I'm getting them from yet, but a lot of people already know. Anyway, let's see what I got. I know what I got. I got two different lots, but one of them I didn't see real close, so we'll see how good it is. Two of them are coins. I got one lot. He always puts fragile. Or she. One of the two. It's a nice couple. They do storage units, and so they get some really good auctions. And I told them to send me some stickers. I should probably just go ahead and promote them as much as possible right now. Trash. Packed well. Let's go with the coins first. Oh wow. I like to buy stuff and resell, but sometimes I like to hoard. 1852. And you can see it that well. That's before the Civil War. 1 cent. It's a big penny. Huh. Wow. It's pretty cool. Anyway, and then the other one is a 2 cent, United States of America. You can see that really good too. Can't believe it. And this was 1865. 1865. This one's a little bit more wore down, but still, to be able to see it that good from the Civil War. Crazy thinking a 1 penny is actually worth a lot. Anyway, I got these for $55. It was one of the first auctions that they had that night, so sometimes there's only like 20 people in there, so I got lucky. And here's the thing I'm pretty excited about. The binder's got mold on it, looks like, but it was a Pokemon custom. Someone really liked the cards. Anyway, I got some pretty cool cards. I'm hoping even better than I could see. Which Charizard EX, I know is worth some pretty good money. Another EX, another EX, EX. Maybe people know more about them than I do. I'm gonna have to ask my nephew. He's the expert. But I paid $210 for this. I got to $190, and I'm supposed to bid $200, and I bid $210 just to back them off. And I've been looking into grading some, so I bid a little bit more than I probably would have, just because I'm gonna take some of those EXs and grade them. It's hard to tell in these auctions, but I figured as well, and they look good. He must not have been playing with them. There's some behind. It must be the one that staged before or something. The Ma Champ one isn't in good shape, but everything else looks pretty good. I don't know much about Pokemon. All I know is people like them, collect them, and use them. There's a double full hologram. Another one, stage 2. There's some behind each one, doubles. But I know I can, if worst comes to worst, I can lot off all these and sell them on my booths. They sell in lots. I just put basic or stage 1 and just throw up a bunch, or just lot them out. Just say whatever. There's some pretty good off ones too. Yeah, this is pretty good. They're well taken care of. I can't wait to show my nephew to see what he. I hope he watches this. He'll tell me more about what's good and what's not. Let's see. Break. Full. Interesting. Wow, there's so many. Another break. Furo. I don't know how many's in here. 300 to 500 probably. I'd say there's like 3 duplicates here. There's another EX just hanging out back here. Vaporeon. Energy hologram. I haven't seen too many of those. Oh, that's pretty good. So Landon, my buddy. Charizard EX. Trevenant EX. Groudon EX. Machamp. Xerneas EX. McGardevoir EX. I'm butchering this. Yveltal. Meloiata EX. Kyogre EX. Anyway, if anybody knows anything about these cards, put it in the chat. Help me a little bit to understand. I have a bunch of them. I've been selling them. I just know people buy them. And what's the other EX back here? Vaporeon. So if anybody can say down below and tell me what you think. $210. Did I do it bad? These coins, $55. I'm gonna keep these. Probably put it in the safety deposit box. So tell me what you think below. Tell me, do you think it was worth $210? I'm gonna probably send some of those in to get graded. Was it worth $55 to get these 2 pennies? One's a 2-cent penny, is what they call it, I think. Let me know below. Give me a comment. Tell me I'm stupid. The note is, thank you. We appreciate your vibe that you bring to the chat. here are some stickers to share our legendary channel. And so I'll share what it is, what channel I watch. It's on Tuesday nights. The name of the channel is Storage Legends. Go on YouTube, find them. They do some pop-up lives too every once in a while, pop-up auctions. They have some great auctions, and they don't care. Even some of their friends are doing live auctions at the same time. They don't care. They buy a lot big storage units and sell it. So if I try to remember to put their link in here somewhere, and there's a good way to. That's what I found. There was good ways to source during all the situation the last few months, and found other ways. And boy, I found some better deals than going around the garage sales even. So grind on, friends. Bye from Bluegrass Pickers. Stay tuned.